Hey everybody, Marty here again, and just got home from the auction. Actually got lucky. I wasn't even going to go this morning, and I figured what the heck, I went and checked it out, and I managed to pick up exactly what I needed to get my gas forge working. I managed to get not one, but two acetylene regulators. Now this is one whole unit. It's actually a torch, but it's got the hose, the regulator, and that's a 40 to 100 pound regulator, so I may just sell that off. However, it's still a regulator, but I did get the hose, got both of those. I've got not sure what the hell this is. Oh, this is another gauge, so I can change that out. Some more hose and some other crap, a couple of tips. So I'm doing good. I may actually just heat this up and use this tip as my burner tip. I don't know. Anyway, got all that for under 20 bucks. Not bad. Plus I got a cordless phone and a couple other things. So we're not really going to go to the auction at all. Managed to make out pretty damn good, considering. So today I'm going to adjust and adapt, see what I can pull off here, and get something to work, and we'll see what happens. Maybe we can get one of these to work, and we can at least get that burner going today. So anyway, let me do some alterations here and see what we can do, get some things hooked up, and we'll get back. Hey everybody, Marty here again, and this weekend's video is the gas forge again. Let me try this without the hood on. I know the hair is terrible, whatever. Now you see me at my best. What are you going to do? Turn it off. Anyway, we're working on the gas forge. Just a burner, and as some of you have seen, I started off with this, with the hole drilled in the corner, and well, that didn't work. Apparently, this pipe was too short. It just didn't like me. So, what are you gonna do? However, I did try something else. I do have a different pipe. Now it is galvanized. Don't everybody freak out. I'm not going to get zinc poisoning. As you can see, I am completely outdoors. Fresh air is not a problem. I'm not inhaling it at the base of the flame. So the zinc poisoning is not a problem. I had enough pipe, galvanized pipe, to make a different. I was going with the. Still want to do the blown, but I don't know how well that's going to work. However, I did manage to get. Now, mind you, this is just sitting here, taking up space at the moment. What did I do with my lighter? And apparently, I left my lighter up on the porch. Give me just 1 second. I gotta go get that. We have this lighter. Light the torch. There we go. And right now, running, it's at about 12 pounds, I think, is what this is at. sounds like. I just need to adjust a little bit, and as you can see, it went out. And the boy's being nosy. So, as you can see, it's got a pretty decent frame on it. So I may just continue to go with that. Turn that off. Turn that off. And that was just about 12 pounds of pressure. I can go lower. What I'd like to do, and what I did, what I'm using for a tip right at the moment is a welding tip, I think. I honestly don't know what the hell it was. It was bent. This is a shorter one. This one has a 0 on it. That one has a 2 on it. So I'm going to probably try this one next, just to see if it varies, because it does have a smaller hole on the tip. I just cut it off and stuck it in my little contraption here. In fact, let's see if we can pull this out of here. This is what it looks like. I managed to rig something together. Use number 212 for duct tape right there. Matter of fact, that's off. And the gas is off. Yeah, I know. Propane, he's smoking. I'm not bright, okay? But that worked out a lot better. It's a smaller pipe. It's only 1 inch. That's 1.5 inches. I may end up going and putting the 1.5 inches into the 1 inch to make my blower. But for the time being, it works pretty well. What I'm going to do here, though, is I'm going to try and turn it around. I'm going to put it, switch everything to the other side. As you can see, there's a stump right there, and it's, well, it's pretty charred. But it's raining, which is why I'm under the porch, and hopefully we can get some more done. Hopefully I can get the blower part to work. Oddly enough, when I get the airflow into it, it really doesn't make that big of a difference right now. So I'm still working on that one. What I am going to do, however, is try that other tip, see what happens, see if I can change some things around, and then I'll see if I can get the air to go through and give me a better burst of air with less fuel, or a better burst of hotter fire with less fuel. That's what I'm after. So hopefully we can get that. For now, let me turn this camera off, do some cutting here and some finagling, and we'll be back in a bit.